Hi everybody, I hope you are having a great week. I am here to share with you a video on making the tools that... Hi everybody, I am here to share with you a quick video on making the tassels that I have been sharing on my channel. These are super easy to make and fun, and I love how they come out. So I'm going to show you a couple of different tools that I used. So here's one that I used. This is from Tassel. This tool is a little bit on the stiffer side, so when I was finished with it, I took my scissors and went in and cut it apart to make it a little more loose and full, and I love how these came out. I haven't added any charms to these yet or a lobster clasp, but I will add those. Next, I have some that I did in this fabulous sparkle glittery silver and white tool, and I did add a lobster clasp on this one. I added a small one with a little heart charm, and I used some baker's twine on that one. These two, I did one in silver and one in gold, and I added a little bow charm. And this is a nice soft fluffy tool. For this one I used this tool, and I got it from Hobby Lobby. For this guy I made it longer. This tool is stiffer and it's got these fabulous dots on it. That is this one, and I got that from Hobby Lobby as well. So when it's more stiff, you just have to play with it a little bit to get it to go how you want. And let's see, what else have I got? I think that's it to show you right now. I also have a tool like this, which I love because it's multicolored, like unicorny, rainbowy type of thing. And it's very stiff, but you can just play with it till you get it how you want it to go. So then last but not least, and my favorite to use, is this kind of tool. I got this online from AliExpress, and I will show you all the colors that I was able to get. And this is super soft, and it's got the moons and the stars and the dots, and it's gorgeous. And I finished it off with this gold trim, gold thread, and then some different charms. And I love how it comes out. It's super soft and super easy to use. So let me show you how I made my charms and dangles and fun tool stuff. So that stuff from AliExpress looks like this tool. I've already given away all my pinks and my aqua minty color, and this is what the tool looks like from AliExpress. I've already given away all my pinks and aquas, so I'm going to make some more of those today and show you how I made them. I'm going to start with this color. It's kind of like a melony aqua-y color. I think it comes with 5 yards in the package, and it runs about approximately 2.5 inches wide, 2 1/4. So what I like to do is figure out how long I want my tassel first. You can go this long, or you can go this way and get more measurement out of it in the length if you want, but then it would be shorter this way. So I'm gonna go this way, and I'm gonna decide that I'm gonna go 5 inches across. So I'm gonna take my first I'm gonna unwind it some more. Okay. I'm gonna unwind it. Okay, so I'm gonna go to measure 5, and then I'm gonna flip it over one way till the end, and I'm gonna go one more and fold it back on itself. Because on this particular tool, I want the stars and the yummies to all show on both sides. And then I'm gonna get a pair of scissors, and I'm gonna cut that off. So that is gonna be the measurement. Okay. Now, I know that's not a pretty ending. I'll fix it at the end. Okay. So that's what I'm going to use for my tool. You are going to need some other things. You're going to need your trim that you want to put around it. You are going to need some kind of jump ring or other ring that you would like to use. So this is my box of goodies that I like to use for jewelry findings. I am going to use one of these guys over here. And I'm going to take... do I want another one of those? I'm going to take one of these. I don't mind mixing metal colors for my charm, and I am going to do a small lobster clasp. So those are going to be what I'm going to use for my findings. So you are also going to need jewelry tools. So I'm going to use these two to put mine on. Scissors, of course. And I am going to look for some of my charms. I have a few boxes of charms I've been collecting for a long time. So I'm going to look through my box of charms. And I think I'm gonna do, we'll do a gold bow. Okay. So I am gonna put my findings in here because I do not want to knock them off anywhere. All right, so we're gonna get our, okay, so we have that. So all I'm gonna do is grab my biggest jump ring to make sure I have it handy, and I'm just gonna take my tool and kind of squish it up. I am gonna get my biggest jump ring, and I am gonna, sorry for the shaking, I'm gonna push it through. There is nothing about this needing to be perfect in any way, shape, or form. I am not a perfectionist. I like to have fun. Okay, so that's what we have right now. Then I am going to pick off a length of twine. You don't need too much, but enough. And cut it off. That is about, measuring it down at the bottom here, that's about 14 inches. You probably don't need any more than 12. But what I like to do is leave a short length at the one side, a long length at the other, and get a knot. However you can do that, you do that. Everybody's different how they can get it done. Sometimes I do a loose knot first and then put it over the tassel. Okay, so there's my first loop. There is my second loop. Okay, so then I have my short side and I have my long side, and I take my long side and I start wrapping. I wrap tight. I like it to be tight. You can wrap it however makes you happy. However many times you want. Okay, so now I've got that as many times as I like. And I'm back to my short side where I am now going to do another couple of knots. I want to make sure I don't have my jump ring in the middle. I like to do it a few times because this kind of thread sometimes likes to get unraveled, and we don't want that. Okay, so I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. We will cut that off at the end. Unless you like that look, then you can leave it. All right, now I'm going to find where my jump ring opens. There, okay. I'm going to get my goodies ready. So first I have my lobster clasp. I'm going to put that on first. So when you do a jump ring, you never want to go out like this. You want to twist side to side. Otherwise you weaken the jump ring. So I'm going side to side. Got to get that grip. There we go. And I'm going to put on my lobster clasp. Sorry, I'm not left-handed, so there we go. Okay, so again, side to side. Okay, and then I'm just going to do that to tighten it. And then I'm going to push the bottom back inside to the tassel so that this doesn't come off easily. All right, so there's my lobster clasp. Then I'm going to get my charm. This might be small for this the head of this plastic charm, so we'll see. Again, I'm going to grab my ring here. I'm going to put it inside of here. Oh, fit good. And then I'm going to attach it to here. Now, you could attach your charm to the original clasp, however, it will not have as much movement. And then I'm going to tighten that. Okay, and then that's what we have so far. Okay, so we have our cute little charm on there. Okay, and we have our we have our cute little charm on there, and we have our